Hello everyone and welcome back to TechAvro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be talking about on how you can earn money. Well, potentially. It's not a guaranteed job, but how you could potentially earn money with ChatGPT. Well, first you can sell chatbot services. You could use the chatbot GPT or a similar language model to build chatbots for business or individuals. These bots could be used for customer services, information dissemination, or other purposes. You could then charge a fee for providing these services, or you could use them for your own business and not have to pay the service fee and save money. You could build and sell an app. You could use ChatGPT to build another chatbot app that users can download on their phone, and then you can sell this app on Play Store or App Store. And offer language model training services. If you have expertise in training language models, you could offer your services to businesses or individuals who are interested in using chatbot GPT, and then you can charge them a fee for providing this training. So you see, chatbot is simple, but then again, it does require some language training, and if you're good at it, then you could charge businesses or individuals for teaching it to them. And then you can monetize a chatbot platform. Basically, if you develop a chatbot platform that uses your ChatGPT, so basically create something that uses ChatGPT as its main source, and then you can monetize that platform and charge money for providing them access to that platform, or by giving them the premium features. That's something everyone is starting to do. There are a few other ways of earning money. The other way is you can use the ChatGPT to generate content for social media platforms or websites. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate engaging and informative articles or blog posts that are relevant to your audiences. Finally, you can also use ChatGPT to create engaging and interactive chat experiences for users on an app or a website, something like that, or you could make it for someone else and then charge them. So yeah, you can use this bot to earn money, and there are several ways. I just mentioned a few, but if you start exploring a bit more, you can find out more ways and opportunities of earning money from ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.